Hey guys, quick video here for the TV Box as third generation comparing to second generation. So the third gen is a little bit lighter and slimmer. Third gen got better clock speed for the CPU comparing to second generation. Also, you have more powerful GPU for the third generation. Both got same RAM. That's a tie. But then you're gonna have the storage room that's like 4x storage comparing to second gen. So you're gonna have 32 gigabytes, so that's good. Operating system similar. Max output resolution same. Both got the same HDR support. But with the audio support, you're gonna have DTS-X comparing to DTS HD. Wi-Fi is better for the third gen too. Bluetooth 5.2 here. HDMI is similar. Audio output, that's something that you have for second gen, that's something that you don't have for the third gen, so this is something that you have to be aware of. And you have more upgrades for the third gen, and then the package contents are similar. So I just wanted to make this like quick comparison for you between these two, like what you can actually expect. I hope this video provided you at least a little bit of value about it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.